Chad version. Version naman ni Chad. Talagang ganyan ang buhay. Para silang nagmamatigasan eh. Kaya hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin nabubuo ang love story. Ang love story ni Nobi at ni Chad.
Nakamata yung You're All I Need. You're All I Need.
Talaga?
Wag muna yan.
Pinali yan eh. Pinali ko yata.
Hanapin mo yung pinano.
Sabay si Mario, puta si Ali. Hindi pa ako napatay, habol siya eh. Parang ganito, low area.
Talking to myself for reason I should find. Finding out where everything is wrong.
Pasok Ali, ako makulong.
Tears falling down my cheeks that I've been trying to hold. It doesn't know if I can still go on. I wanted you to stay. The tears begin to show. You said you cared for me, but then you had to go.
Parang nag-holding hands lang sila, no? Grabe.
That I don't want to remember the things we used to do. All the things that reminds me of you. I don't want to hear the songs we used to sing. 'Cause I don't wanna feel the pain in my heart.
Alam ko MTV yun eh.
Hindi, wag na hanapin kung
Yan po si Dan.
Rest day siya bukas.
Wow, kaya pala malalakas ang loob.
At ito naman, si Kuya Lawrence. The pretty boy. Yes!
Magkanta naman tayo ng mga nakakatawang kanta.
Teka, hindi naman nakakatawa eh. Nakakatawa rin eh. Hello!
Para ako sinabunutan ng maraming ano dito.
Ate, okay lang. Matabi, no? Yan sila, Grace.
That I don't want to remember the things we've been through, all the things that remind me of you.
That's Chad. Still looking for a song. Di ba kami makapili? Yan ulit, si Kuya. Woohoo! Grace.
Tama na yung picture-picture.
Hello.
Dapat mo kasi kay Ate Nobi para dagdag na picture-picture.
Ayan o. Ate no, tingin-tingin na. Yes.
Mawawala yung buhay ni Mario.
Wow, 98!
Wala na siyang...
Ba't ano ba yung sa'yo ate kanina?
Ay, wala na. 98. Hindi